I did something crazy last month. Last year, December. I copied one of the biggest YouTubers out there, and guess what? It worked. When I mean it worked, it works like magic. My channel exploded, my views through the roof, subscribers more than I have ever gained in such a short time. You are probably wondering, who did I copy, right? How exactly did I pull this off? But that is what I'm about to tell you. Just stay tuned. And most importantly, can you do it too? Stick around because I am breaking it all down step by step. But let me warn you, this is not your typical how to grow on YouTube advice. If this is a video you have loved to watch, please like, share, and comment. And lastly, do not forget to do what? Share it to other creators who has been looking for this video. Let's hop in. So, why did I copy a big YouTuber? Well, like most creators, I was stuck. My videos weren't getting the traction I wanted. And honestly, I felt invisible in a sea of content. That is when I started thinking, instead of trying to reinvent the wheel, why not study someone who is already at the top of their game? That is when the light bulb went off. Now, I am going to tell you just yet who is this YouTuber. I know this is what you are expecting, but just calm down. Calm down. But trust me, you know them. They are a master at going viral, and their videos constantly dominate the algorithm. But here is the thing, I didn't just copy their style, I broke down their entire strategies. I copied their entire strategies. Whatever strategies they are using, their titles, their thumbnail, pacing, even their editing tricks, and I apply it to my channel. So let's dive into what I did step by step. Make sure you are watching this very video to the end because these tips that I'm about to give you, guys, it is a game changer. When I mean it's a game changer, it is a game changer. Are you ready? The first step was to figure out their formula. I spent hours, and when I mean hours, I mean literally hours, watching their videos. I wasn't just watching for entertainment. I was studying exactly what they are doing, exactly how they are making their videos to go viral. Here is what I noticed. They have a very specific hook in every video. Within the first 10 seconds of each of their video, they have hit you with a bold statement or intriguing question. They have hit you with what you want to know about their video. So I did the same. And guess what? My audience retention shoots up. Why? Because people were hooked right from the start. Now, this is a practice of how you are going to do it. If you are losing viewers in the first 30 seconds of your video, you need a strong hook. Alright? So if you're wondering where you can get a strong hook, I am here to recommend you to VIDIQ or Awards or ChatGPT. These tools will help you with a strong hook that can keep your viewer engaged and keep watching your video till the end. The next thing I did was I tracked their thumbnails and title. Their thumbnails were bold, clean, and told a story in one glance. Like they just make their thumbnail just clear and simple, but it will convey what their message is all about. And their titles, they didn't just describe the video, they created curiosity. For instance, instead of saying how I grew my channel, they had to say, I did this to grow my channel. And it worked. Ha! Guys, see the difference. I used the same approach and suddenly my click-through rate skyrocketed. I was so amazing. I was so shocked to see how my channels were performing so well. Here is where things get really interesting. Pacing. This YouTuber doesn't waste a single seconds. Every few seconds, there is a cut, a zoom, or a pops-up graphics to keep the viewer engaged. So I started editing my videos with the same energy and strategies. Guys, this thing started skyrocketing. My views, my channel was doing so amazing. So you have to copy and paste doesn't mean that you are copying everything, but just for you to get that knowledge and wisdom in order to grow your channel. It is like night and day. My watch time increased because people weren't clicking away. Remember, the more watch time you get, the more YouTube pushes your video to new viewers. Here is a secret most people overlook. This YouTuber doesn't just post random videos. They follow a very specific content strategy. Their topics are timely, relevant, and optimized for search. So I started planning my videos around those trending topics in my niche. But here is the twist. I added my own spin to make the content unique and different. That is the key. Don't just copy. Adapt their strategy to fit your own voice and audience. That is the only simple way you can go into what? Succeed on this YouTube. If you are not getting that views and subscribers, if you are not getting that engagement, you need to start copying all those big creators on YouTube so that you can dominate on this YouTube platform. Now, the final piece of the puzzle, community engagement. This YouTuber is not just a content machine. They interact with their audience constantly. They comment, they post, shout out, you name it. So I started doing the same thing. And you know what? My audience felt more connected to me, which led to more loyal subscribers and even more shares. Alright, the moment you have been waiting for. Who did I copy? Right? Journal! Alright, let's dive in. The YouTuber that I copy is no other person than Dan the Creator. Yes, Dan the Creator. Yup. I studied their entire channel and it's paid off big time. But here is the thing. The strategies I shared today don't belong to them. They are universal. Anyone can use them, including you. So now tell me, what is stopping you? If you are feeling stuck, don't be afraid to learn from the best. Study your favorite creators, adapt their strategies, and keep experimenting until you find what works for you. Remember, success on YouTube is not about luck. It is about strategic and consistently. The way you make your own to be unique, the way you make your own to be different from others, that is what will work for you on your channel. So you need to start implementing it today. What are you waiting for? Why are you leaving a tons of growth on the table? So stand up today and start what? Growing your YouTube channel. So tell me, which strategies are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comment section, and hey, if this video helped you a lot, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and share this good news to a whole lot of people. Alright, let's grow on this YouTube platform together. I want to be your friend. Alright, and thank you for watching. See you in my next one. Bye for now.